Hi guys, and welcome to another Wild and Wellbeing with Neil. Today, Monday the 19th, sad day today, Queen's funeral. So just thought we'd come out, take a bit of nature in. Me and my wife are out today, just trying to lift the mood a little bit. I think everywhere's a little bit flat, everyone's a little bit down for obvious reasons. What I will say is though, is that watching the funeral and the procession and stuff like that, it's got to be said that I don't think there's another nation in the world that does things quite as well as we do. Made you proud to be an Englishman today, to be honest. Proud to be a British Englishman. So today we're just going to spend an hour or so walking down the estuary, taking in a bit of the wildlife, a bit of the wildflowers. Might collect a few seeds. There's my wife with her binoculars on there. There's a heron over the other side of the lake. Might be able to zoom in on it if we're lucky. But yeah, that's the plan today. Just taking a bit of nature, try and lift the mood, and enjoy a nice walk. So as we walk down the estuary along the salt marsh, there's still quite a bit of sea aster, as you can see, providing pollen for the bees and the wasps still. There it is. Busy, 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 grabbing what I can. That buzzing in the background. You can hear someone with a drone. But yeah, sea aster, it's lovely. Quick look at the wrecks while we're here. Really clear day today despite all the clouds in the sky. You can see right over to the troughs. Lovely view. Just wish that drone had stopped buzzing. The last tiny little bit of sea lavender remaining. Not much left now. The majority of it's dying away as we come into autumn. So as you can see, we've walked right into the centre of the salt marsh. Just try and get away from everything really. Nice view. Estuary to the left of us. A few boats moored up. That noise you can hear is a boat just going into the quay and the slip. Just point out before we do make a move, what Janine's just pointed out that there's still a lot of samphire available ready. Coming towards the end of the season. Got some in around here. But yeah, looks quite healthy. Well, you know that samphire is a sea herb and quite expensive in the shop, I would imagine. So to say it's here free and available to forage and pick, I think we've been missing out this year. Down onto the estuary. Loads of different boats down here. Moored up, old and new, as you can see. Boats tied up in the estuary. R&LA boats in the distance. Looking over to Knot End and Knot End Calf. Just me, my wife, and the sounds that you can hear really nice. that is an absolutely stunning view all the way down to, in the distance, Thornton, ICI. This is generally where I come for sunsets, sunrises should I say. You can imagine the sunrises up there. Be absolutely amazing. A couple of weeks time and I can't be bothered getting out of bed that early in the morning. So as we arrive off the estuary at Tiger's Tail, which is our halfway point, our turning point if you will, this is generally where we find the samphire, and as you can see, as far as the eye can see, samphire, 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 absolutely everywhere. We've missed out on rich pickings this year because it's all past its best now. That'll just basically die off and come back even more next year. But yeah, free food. So we just sat on Tiger's Tail and spotted a little egret. Fortunately, as far as my zoom goes on this iPhone. But yeah, you can see it in the distance over there. Basically, it's a white, smaller version of a heron. Just sits in the water waiting for a fish to pass by and stabs it with a very sharp long black beak. Like that. That's good timing, isn't it? Let's have a quick look at the entrance to the quay. The Jubilee Key, should we say, donated to the fishermen of Fleetwood on the Queen's Jubilee by the good lady herself. Very apt for today, I suppose. We're not going to get into it today, but there is arguments about the quay and who it belongs to and stuff like that. Yeah. That's for another video, I think. So we are back where we started originally, back on the lake at the nature reserve. We've been out for a while, about an hour and a half, something like that, down to Tiger's Tail and back. And yeah, lighten the mood a little bit. It was good for us both to get out, both enjoyed it. So that's it, I suppose. That's the end of today's walk. Just what I end by saying, I suppose like the rest of the country, rest in peace Queen Elizabeth II, and long live the King, long live Charles III really. Let's hope his reign is a good one. And on that note, as we look at the Queen's bird, stunning swans, I'd just like to say thanks for watching. Thanks to all of you who subscribe, and if you like what you see, share the page, subscribe it. Thanks very much. That's another Wild and Wellbeing with Neil complete.